Hello everyone, my name is Nihal. I'm from Team Tech Phantoms. Me and my friend Shanti have been working on this hackathon and developing this solution using DevRev snap-ins. Our problem was to identify different customer channels, understand their feedback, analyze their reviews, and provide insights on it. We have taken three different channels: the Apple App Store, Twitter, and the Google Play Store. These three channels and do a lot of processing on them. The first of which is filtering out and understanding the useful features, useful reviews from them. We do this filtering in three different stages. The first stage is if the reviews are full of spam, so we do spam filtering. The second stage is if the reviews have unsafe content. This is done by a Llama Guard safe model, and the spam filtering is done by Mixtral model. The third stage is we wanted to identify bot reviews or AI generated content. Since these aren't real users, this don't provide any meaningful insights to the company. We are using GPT Zero's API in order to identify AI generated content and then flag it and not analyze it or generate tickets from it. After this filtration is done, we are fairly confident that the reviews remaining are actual useful insights. So we start our process by clustering them into 4 categories, such as bug, features, questions, and feedbacks. Now, if it's a bug, then we try and understand what kind of sentiment the users are giving us. The sentiment analysis is done using a rapid API, and this sentiment analysis gives us a score from negative to positive based on what kind of sentiment the user has. Using this sentiment, we can clearly understand what the customer is feeling when he has written the review. We also identify potential solutions to the review for bugs and for feature requests, and we provide them as insights. We also understand the business impact and put it as part of the tickets that we are issuing. At the end, we also try to make sure that there are no duplicate reviews. We have a systematic process which keeps track of all of the tickets being generated, and if there are any duplicate reviews or tickets being generated on the same things, so the similar the same tickets are being generated on the same things, then these are flagged as duplicate reviews, and the duplicate tickets are not generated. We also look at customer knowledge gaps using the question identifier. So we understand all the questions that are raised by our customers and then give a detailed ticket on the exact knowledge gaps that our customers has and where we need to improve better. For Twitter, we also added an extra feature that is going to track the influence that these tweets have. So we are going to be tracking things like the users followers, the amount of likes, retweets, etc., and giving a score on top of that. Now let's look at an example of it in work. So let's try a Play Store and let's try and give it 5. Meanwhile, I'm just going to go over the connections. So we have the Fireworks API, Rapid API, and we have the GPT Zero key. In terms of configurations, I have just started for a test with using the Grow app. These are the Grow application ID, App Store ID, Twitter hashtag. You can change this to anything that you would like. The model that we are using as a default can also be changed based on user preferences. So here we can see that we have generated some tickets. Now if we open these tickets, let's open one of them. Yeah. Now we open one of these tickets. This is classified and tagged as a feature request. This is put on the Play Store and it has a positive feedback. It is also categorized as a severity high, as this has a very high feature importance. Now if you go into the description, we see that the ticket is created from this link, and this is the review that is been given. Now we have a small summary that tells us that the user requests an option to hide invested amount in Grow app, so he doesn't want it to be visible. Now the business impact is allowing to hide invested amount can improve user privacy and potentially attract more users who value financial privacy. The feature importance is pretty high and the customer sentiment seems positive. Now these are all useful things that I believe should be part of it that we are giving as analytics for each review. Now let's see. At the end, We have also raised an overall customer sentiment score of 0.82, which is very positive. So I think Grow is doing a very good job here. The top requested feature is that users seek to customization in their portfolio view and editing watch list with a focus on hiding invested amounts. So this is kind of clubbing multiple requests into one and trying to summarize everything into one single word. We have received a total feedback of one. We have received one bug and two total feature requests, and we haven't received any duplicates or spam or AI review content. Let's see what else have. Um, the top customer feedback that we have got is that user appreciates the app's accuracy calculations and watch list features. Let's try and open another ticket. This is generated as feedback, and let's see what it shows. Now it we have gotten a review summary. The user praises accuracy and useful features. We have a sentiment score. We have a feedback sentiment. We have a review. We have the severity, which is a medium, and this is some feedback that we have received, and these are tickets that we have raised accordingly. Now that's it for a demo. Please go ahead and try out our Snap-in and let us know what you think. Thank you.